battery low là quý.
Giờ này đu là luôn bắn đi luôn.
Là
Lót ta còn để lệ. Nó là đu là đi chó này.
battery cho.
Wow.
Ra ôi shit trời này ra bút xỉ. Nếu quắp là bây giờ.
Oh, nice. Red in there. That's the red, white, and blue right there.
I know.
There's the
I
red,
can see.
white, blue, a lot of it. Green too. The blue turned white. Excellent. That's pretty nice. We could see close to the USA border, right?
Yeah.
Not bad. That's nice. Like a lightning. I like that one there. It looks like rockets. There, it looks like a... Oh, that's amazing.
Next year we should
That's
go to
bigger than...
Brazil.
Yeah.
Yeah, next year.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, this are
But that's not... We saw
Wow.
more than other people. Some of it comes good on the camera,
Après tu
eh?
vois là
Nelly?
nó c'est non camera của nó
Some
nó.
comes good on the camera, yeah.
Ê mẹ cho lên camera phản đúng lên nó.
Kennelly's going, yeah, but it would be nice if we were closer. But that's pretty good though. Next year. After Christmas. We gotta go through Christmas first.
Oh, yeah, lucky.
Their fireworks is like a little bit longer than Canada, I think. Don't you think so? Kennelly, do you think it's a little bit longer for their fireworks?
I don't know.
Because it's still going. Probably gonna go till 11.
Should we go to park?
No, we'll miss too much.
Why?
Yeah. We could have gone to the park if it was like maybe we got here half an hour earlier, but we'll miss it all. We'll miss too much by the time we